wasting time, let's just come to the topic. Today I'm going to just teach you maths, which is R.S. Agarwal, class 6, chapter 1 plus intro, and the heading of the chapter 1 is number system. So before starting, I'm going to just tell you one thing, that I'll give you the explanation on the board, as well as I'll solve the questions of exercise 1A on the notebook. So that will be convenient. So let's start with the chapter number system. Numbers play an important role in mathematics. We have studied about counting numbers in primary classes. However, we shall review them here and extend our study to have the ideas of larger numbers. Means maybe we have learnt about in class 5 or class 4 you may have learnt about lakhs or 10 lakhs. But what's about that and about some Hindu-Arabic number systems, Roman numerals, and Indian place value system, international place value system, etc. So we may express numbers in figures as well as words. So now figures and words. So let me just clean this mess. Okay, so that's good. So number of figures, I'm just going to tell you. Figures are 1, 2, 3. So these are figures, so I will write in numbers. But words like 1, 2, 3. So these are words. Figures or words. So now let's come to the notation. So what is notation? Writing a number in figures is called notation. So this one is an important point, so you can just note it down. So I'm just dictating. Notation is writing a number in figures. That's it. Numeration. Now writing a number in words is called numeration. So actually this is very funny because numeration just seems familiar with number, but here it's just it's a verb and it's telling that writing a number in words. So this looks a bit funny. So now let's come to the Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. So in the Hindu-Arabic system we only use 10 symbols, namely I'm going to just tell you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are all 10 symbols we use, called digits, as I've told you, digits, numbers or figures to represent any number. The group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. Yes. So numeral can be like 11, 13, etc. We use place value system to represent a number. Yes, as I have told you, there are two types of place value system, the Indian place value system and the international place value system. So, for a given numeral, we start from the extreme right as ones, tens, hundreds. So, extreme right can be said as, so I'm just doing it here. Extreme right be like 1, so suppose for 12,000. So, extreme right means this will be 4 or ones, this will be tens or t, this will be hundreds or h, this will be thousands or t, or this will be th, or 10,000s. I just spoke a word of Hindi right now. Yes, you can see that right as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, etc. But now let's come to an instance which is given below are some numbers arranged in a place value table. Write each number in words and put it in the expanded form. So let me just understand it. I'm just coming out for understanding this place value chart. So yeah, friends, that's a question to be done in the notebook. So when I come to my diary, then I'll show you how to solve the question. Number system extended further. So this is the subheading. We know that the largest 7-digit number is, wait. Okay, so that's 99,99,999. So it's 99. Okay, I just told you. On adding 1 to it, we get 1 crore. We call 1 crore. Okay, so thus the smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Largest 8-digit number is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, not that. It's 9,99,99,999. Thus, we extend our place value chart to have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores, etc. So, instance 2. Given below are the numerals, which are, okay, just, I'm going to do this, but let's see this. Put them in a place value chart, write them in words. So, we have to put them in. Actually, this is an instance, so I think that we should do it in a notebook after a while. First, let's just complete this area. So, we come to the exercise 1A. Periods. So, you don't need to read this area because I'm just gonna tell you in a simple way that what are periods. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean some of the area, only some of the area because other points are important. Okay. So, for instance, I have written in numeral 12,97,248. So, in the Indian place value chart, after except ones, tens, hundreds, we just separate periods in two numbers. So as you have seen that I have separated periods by using this comma, but 2, 4, 8. So I have not separated it because it's the rule of mathematics. 97, two numbers, so separated it, and ones, tens, hundreds. So this is the identity of the period. So period ends and this period starts. 97,248, and this period ends, this period starts to 12,97,248. So I hope that you understood. So don't need to read this area. Now let's, okay, there's some salt kinds of instances, but now I'm going to just go to International System of Numeration, which is on page number 4. In the National System of Numeration adopted by all countries throughout the world, the place value chart is as follows. So it's pretty different from, no, it's not pretty different, but a bit different from this. So I'm just erasing all this. Yes. So for instance, I have written and finally 911. So if we write in the actually I'm going to just repeat this number once again, 111 232 911. So if we write this number in the Hindu Arabic system, we will like three numbers in a period, then two numbers in a period, then again two numbers in a period, and further. But when we are in the international place value chart, then every period will be consisting three numbers, like 911 will be a period, 232 will be a period, and 111 will be a period. So this is, so one more thing, that this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, but this is thousands, this is 10,000s. But this is not lakh, this is 100,000, HTH. Then this will be kind of 1 million, this will be 10 million, and this will be 100 million. So this goes for 3 columns and 3 numbers in a period, and that will even have 100, like 323. Even 323,323 million, billion, trillion, etc. It can go to infinite, or you can say furthermore. So I just explained this. Now I'm gonna come to exercise 1A, which is on page number 5, and let's just see the questions, and then I'm gonna go to my diary and I'm gonna explain it. Write the numeral for each of the following numbers: 9,018 and 54,073, 3,02,000. Also, we have to write the numeral. So first, let's solve the first question, and only I'm gonna explain three questions of this question, and the rest you can do at your home, or if you're watching this video, then you can do it live. So now I'm gonna come to my diary. So my diary is here. So friends, you can see that I'm on my diary. So the question number 1, is 9018. So I'm just not going to write the questions, I'm going to write the answers. So answer is in words. No, we don't have to write in words, and we have to write in numerals. So 9018. So you can just write 0, 9, comma and 018. So this will be in 2 periods, and I'm just gonna cut the 0 because we don't need it. 9, comma 018. So this will be 3 periods, and this will be only 1 period because we are not gonna add a number. So that's like the answer. Now let's come to the second answer. Okay, so the second question is 54,073. So 54,000 be like 54 and comma 73. So 073. Because there's another period or there's a comma after this part, then we will be writing 0. But if there would be only 073 or only 73, then we will not write the 0. Now let's come to the answer number 3. Is 3,02,506. So 3 comma 3,02,000. So because there is a period 0 to 3,02,506. So 506. So here we are done with this second answer. Oh no, it's not the second, it's the third answer. So you can do the rest by your own, on your own. So now I'm gonna come to my board and then explain the next sum and do the next one. So now you have seen the explanation of the 3 questions, only of that question. So I know that you can do the rest on your own. Now let's come to the second question, which is write each of the following numbers in words. So the first question was in numerals, but the second question is in words. So the first is 63,005. Second is 7,07,075. Third is 34,20,019. Fourth is 3,05,012. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain 3. So now I'm coming to the notebook. Okay, so let's go to the notebook. Let's see other questions. Write each of the following numbers in expanded form. Means expanded form, I'll just show in my notebook. Then write the corresponding numeral for each of the following. Find the difference between the place values of 2 9s in 795. Okay, that's the numeral. So I just show you how to write the second question and even the third question. So now I'm going to my diary. Okay, so my diary is here. I'm going to pause the video and then show you. So yeah friends, so as we are going to do this, write the following numbers in words. So the question is 63,005. So if we are going to write in words, then 63,005. So 63,005. Now let's come to 7,07,075. So 7,075. So we are done with this question. Now let's come to the last question of question number 2. So 34,20,019. $20,019. So we end up with this question. Now let's come to the final question of this video, and the rest of the questions the questions which are remaining I'll explain them in my next video. And as they write the following numerals in expanded form, I'm going to explain only one question because because of storage reasons. So this is 10 into brackets open 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 7 into 100s plus 6 into 10 plus 8 into 1s. So as you can see that I have used ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.